Breaking news here. Clorox has formally rejected Carl Icahn's offer. Clorox saying no to the billionaire. Remember, it was a $12.6 billion bid. It was a 12% premium to where Clorox closed the previous day. A lot of it would be borrowed, but Clorox is saying no thanks. Karen, what do you make of this?
It's not surprising. I think absolutely a tactic. For one thing, Carl didn't have a tender. They don't have the same duty of response, a more formalized response that they would to a tender. So the ball is now in Carl's court. He has a couple things that he could do. One, launch a tender. Costs real money to do that. That would certainly show a sign of his being real. Two, he can nominate a slate for the upcoming annual meeting. He has a few weeks to do that, so he doesn't need to respond right away. And actually, Carl may be better off to have the stock trade down.
This is, sorry to interrupt, Karen. Clorox is adopting a shareholder rights plan triggered if an investor acquires 10% of its stock. Icahn right now, as of the last filing, had a 9.4% stake. Clorox is saying it's rejecting the offer because it undervalues the company. So there's some more details.
That's not surprising either. That's a common tactic. That won't be enough to save them if he is real and shareholders want to sell it.
I wish Carl would call in.
Carl, of course, he'll just show up on a show. But if another stock in the same world that I think is a little cheaper than Clorox here, that is also flirting with all-time highs. We make jokes about it, but take a look at Church & Dwight CHD, which is probably a cheaper company valuation-wise. I think has more room on the upside in terms of the stock price.
Why do we make fun of that?
Because we always make fun. For no particular
what do they
reason.
make?
They make a number of things. It's my cradle to the grave trade. We do that in the Web Extra. I can tell you exactly what they make. If you really want to know.
Maybe.